Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about keeping those critters out of your vehicle. Everything from rats and mice, which we get a lot of phone calls about and can often cause a lot of damage to your vehicle, squirrels, and then domesticated animals that we don't want to see hurt and keep them out of the vehicle. Rats and mice will often attack air filter chambers. They'll chew a hole right through an air filter and make a nest in there. It's dry. Up on top of the motor, they tend to love to chew everything from sensor wiring and wiring looms to spark plug wires if they're on your type of vehicle. All these repairs can be extremely expensive. And there's often times that we'll repair a vehicle for this, repair a wiring harness, etc. The vehicle will return a month later with the same problem. What we strongly recommend is what we call a pure extract peppermint oil. And it's actually one of the things that tends to work really well keeping rats and mice out. You can purchase these little cans that are magnetic, put the peppermint oil in there. You can set them all over places inside the engine compartment. They will help eliminate the costly repairs that come from rats and mice attacking your vehicle and destroying it. So if you're having these problems, we strongly recommend you get these, get your vehicle into a quality repair facility.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.